I'm at Yaji Yaqub Square, next to the Yaji Yaqub Mosque. There are all these men, they repair shoes. And while people are in the mosque praying, they leave their shoes here if there is anything to be fixed. So, this is, how much is to fix the shoes?
قیمت از با چنده؟ همین چیه؟ 200, 250.
250, like $3?
Yeah.
To repair, to put these under the shoes?
Yeah.
Oh, nice. What's your name? Mohammed. Antonio. Nice meeting you. And here we have what's your name? Jalil. So, but they do the same job here?
Yeah.
The same job. This we have another one here. Do you have this man? What's your name? Huh? Isa, so we shake the hands like this because his hands are full of grease right now. This man is sleeping. He's probably very tired from the war. What's your name? My name is Mahim. His name is Mahim. Mahim, what is... this is for polish, right? For polish the shoes. Nice. But they don't... So my shoes like this,
Yeah.
they cannot do anything for that, right? There is not... If I have a problem with my shoes, they can repair it?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. Oh, this is what? They bring shoes to be repaired?
No, they are selling shoes.
Huh?
Selling shoes.
Selling shoes. So this is the shoes. How much
These
are
are
the shoes?
second-hand shoes.
Yeah, second hand. How much is this shoes?
چه قدر از قیمتش؟
Huh? Well, how much?
700.
700 to buy this one.
Yeah.
And what's your name? No, your name.
No.
Masu, Antonio.
How are you, Mr.
What's your name?
My name is
Masar.
Mr. How are you?
Very good.